Let me show you multiple different ways how to use regular Ziploc bags with your vacuum sealer. So if you want to save money and not pay for these very expensive special vacuum sealer bags, yep, you can also use these with actually very good success. So first what you want to do, so the first method. As you see on the Ziploc bag you have this strip, so the closing strip. What you want to do is you simply want to cut it off from the bag. I'm also going to simply cut off the ends of it. Let's cut it in either 2 or 3 pieces. Also, if on your bags, so this plastic piece inside. Also, if on your bags these plastic pieces that are inside are very thick, you also simply have to cut them off. But if they're small like this, so not overly thick, we can also leave these on. So again, yeah, if they're absolutely massive, simply cut them off. We can't use them, otherwise it won't seal. So you won't only use like this part, which isn't very thick, so only this part. So, and then I see I'll simply insert these in my bag, position my bag here, so maybe like a 1/2 centimeter out of the bag. And yeah, make sure the end of this thing is inside between these 2 foam strips. Okay, so let's close it and let's start it. So you see it's sucking out all the air. Okay, let's wait for it to finish. And done. So you see, yeah, absolutely awesome. So this is what they look like inside here. So yeah, very tight and very nice. And then there are a few different other things that we can use as well. So our main goal is to simply place something in between the 2 layers of the bag, so it can be closed basically properly. And it simply has got like some entryway where it can essentially suck out air. Once it's going to seal it, it's obviously going to melt both of these materials together and all will be good. So you can either take like a small piece of clean bubble wrap, or also like a tiny bit of like plastic drinking straw. So something like this will do. Or also you can take one of the sealer bags and simply cut off maybe like 2 small strips from it. So you see in double like this. So first maybe let's start with a tiny piece of bubble wrap. So I'll simply insert inside, leaving maybe just a few millimeters outside of it. Okay, adjust it, looks, yeah, looks good. Close it and start it. So you see it also sucks out. Let's wait. So you see it also sealed, but I think the first method was a bit better. I see it's not as tight here. Also, in my opinion, this method where you simply take 2 small pieces from the actual sealer bag probably works the best. So I see I'll simply insert it inside one and another. Let's start. So see, definitely much better than the bubble wrap method. Okay, done. Let's check. So see, extremely nice and tight. So this is absolutely excellent. So yeah, just cut off 2 pieces of that in 2 layers, stuff inside, and so you can easily use these bags. And also let's try with a small piece of a plastic straw. This also has worked very good for me. But if you have a large bag, obviously you would probably need 2 pieces of straw. For a small bag like this, I think 1 will also be good enough. Yeah, see, also great. Okay. And you see, also sealed, absolutely excellent. Okay, like